Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best electric women shavers in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Schick Intuition Women Razor. The Schick Intuition Women Razor is the first and only razor that lets you lather and moisturize during shaving in one easy step. It has a 4-blade pivoting head to glide smoothly along the contours of your legs and body. The razor's 4-blade system that allows for an incredibly close shave. Pivoting head follows the contours of a woman's body to help minimize irritation. This formulation enriched with tropical citrus extracts helps soften and moisturize the skin during shaving. This women razor revitalizing moisture refills are formulated with tropical citrus extracts for a smooth shave. With this razor, you can get a simple way to get smooth, beautiful legs. The bulkiness of the handle plus the bulkiness of the strip makes it impossible for it to have a fancy swivel head or anything like that, but it does tilt and adjusts in height to the shave bar. At number 4. Braun Electric Women Shaver. The Braun Electric Women Shaver's 20 tweezer system removes hairs at the root for weeks of smooth skin. It will leave your skin clean and relaxed and will help to reduce those dreaded ingrown hairs. When epilating, hold your epilator so that it feels natural. Hold at a 90-degree angle to your legs and run the epilator in an upward motion against the direction of hair growth. The massaging rollers also help to minimize discomfort. Braun Electric Women Shavers reveals and removes even the finest hairs that other epilators don't show. Its massage rollers gently stimulate and massage your skin for even more comfort. With this shaver gets you extras: shaver head, trimmer cap and massage cap. The shaver's 2-speed settings let you choose what's best for your individual skin type and personal beauty routine. At number 3. Remington WDF5030A. The Remington Smooth and Silky Women's Shaver has smooth shave technology and it delivers comfort, closeness, and convenience. The angled shaver head features 4 blades that stay close to the skin for swift, smooth results. The unique foils and special dual-sided trimmer guide hairs towards the blades to make every pass count. And you'll love the convenience of the cordless, rechargeable shaver that can be used in the shower and with shaving gel. Plus, the moisturizing almond oil strip transfers nourishment to the skin during shaving for the ultimate comfort. Remington Smooth and Silky Women's Shaver provides you optimal angle head, flex dual-sided trimmer, lift logic foils, almond oil strip. Antimicrobial. Soft touch sides for no-slip grip. Recharge time 20 hours. Also included, charge stand, bikini comb, head guard, and beauty bag for storage and travel, and 100% waterproof. At number 2. Philips Satinelle Epilator. The Philips Satinelle Epilator gives you soft, smooth skin. Unlike disposable razors or depilatories, the epilator removes hair from the roots and is gentle on your skin. Complete with 2-speed settings and an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling, this epilation system removes hair as short as 0.5 mm. The 21 hypoallergenic discs and a removable, washable head ensure a hygienic hair removal experience. Philips Satinelle Epilator removes hair from legs and leaves skin smooth for a week and saves money versus salon waxing. Efficiently removes the shortest hairs from the root, though epilation is easier when hair is 3 to 4 mm. The epilator corded design for non-stop use on dry skin. Easy to remove and clean with water for optimal hygiene. Voltage 100 to 240 volts and sound level 72 dBA. At number 1. Clever Bright Electric Shaver. The Clever Bright Women Electric Shaver helps customize hair shaving on your legs, arms, body, armpits and bikini lines, etc. in minutes without any residue. Safe, efficient and painless, professional, gives you a quick and smooth trimming experience. Includes 3-in-1 electric razor, precision bikini trimmer head, facial cleansing brush head, exfoliator silicone facial brush, facial massager head, anti-allergy foil shaver head. Shaving, cleaning and massaging, just need a 6-in-1 shaving set can finish it. Clever Bright Women Electric Shave Whole Body is washable in water, 100% waterproof. Wet and dry use, it can be used wet or dry anytime, anywhere. 360-degree rotation facial cleansing brush head thoroughly removes dirt, oil and makeup residues. It has 360 days warranty and lifetime customer service support.